This Remax Equity Group property video is presented by Sharon Alexander. Super nice manufacturing home in the Hogan Meadows manufacturing home community next to the Gradin Sports Park and within walking distance to schools, shopping, and restaurants. Great room floor plan with a large living room that flows into a nice dining area and a large kitchen. Primary suite has a walk-in closet and a full bath and a door to the laundry room. Partially fenced backyard with a nice deck and Tuff shed. Room for a large garden too. For more information, review the details below or contact Sharon Alexander at 503-666-2020.